So basically we will be doing consumer equilibrium, right? We will be doing indifference curves, and we'll be doing the demand. So basically 3 things we are going to do in this chapter. Okay. So first we'll study what is consumer equilibrium, the meaning and the utility, marginal utility and all that, indifference curve analysis and all that. So how we will be doing these things, we will be covering till here in one chapter. Okay. And this will be our second chapter. So we are dividing the second unit into 2 parts, in first chapter and the second chapter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, you'll give the heading consumer unit number 2, consumer equilibrium and demand. Then you'll write chapter, consumer chapter. Okay. And just this. This is what we are going to do. Okay.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, we have to write the heading, right?
Heading and the syllabus, so that whenever we will be completing, we'll be marking it. Like, okay, we are done with this topic.
The last part or the whole thing?
No, till where I underline this one only, till here only. See these
Okay. Okay, teacher. Teacher, I finished. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Oh, good. So before starting with the unit, I have few things which to share with you. Okay, that are very important for your economy. Like that will be helping you. This is an extra mile which you people will be like we will be discussing today. As you people are like a part of an economy, right? You people are studying economy, so it is very compulsory to know what are the types of economy in the whole world, and maybe whatever India is adopting, or India is continuing with what it is, right? And whatever America is. So is there any difference in the economy of India and the America? Though we did the central problem, that central problem are something which are common for every country, but every country is different and every country has their own economy, right? So today we'll be doing classification of an economy. So how economies are classified, that we'll be doing today. Okay. And after that, this is an extra mile because sometimes they ask you in general the question, but most of the time, like it's like something 40% they can ask, 60% they won't be. But how not to take any chance, maybe they can ask. Okay. And if you will do these things in your today's class or in 11th class, it will be very easy for you when you are going to study about Indian economy. That will be your second book in the 12th class. Okay. So let's just start. So first thing now, what is the classification of an economy? So basically, economy is divided into three parts. One is market economy, next is centrally planned economy, and next one is mixed economy. So there are three types of economy: market economy, centrally planned economy, and mixed economy. So in general, I just give you an idea about all these things. Okay. So sometimes you can see three types of economy are there, right? So ma'am, what is the difference? How they are different? Like how you can say that this economy is this and this is not like this? Okay. First one is your just a minute. Okay. First one is your market economy, right? So ma'am, market economy is also known as capitalist economy. Just remember cap. Okay. I hope you are aware that there are two sectors. One is public sector. Okay. And the second one is your private sector. Okay. Public sector is basically the government sector, right? And private sector is basically, you generally know, with someone, the public organization is handling, right? Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Right? So basically there are two things. One is private, which is basically owned by the private people. And second one is your government sector, which is also known as public sector. Public, why? Because government works for public. So that's why public sector. Clear? These two sectors are clear. There are basically two sectors. One is government and other one is private. Or you can say one is public and other one is private. Clear? I hope others are clear. Only Lavivia is clear. What about others?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Jenna? Okay, Dina? Dina, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear? Two sectors?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So market economy. Market economy is also known as capitalist economy. Just remember cap. Okay. Second one is your centrally CPE, centrally planned economy. This is known as socialist. Just remember socialist. Okay. And next one is mixed. Is only known as mixed. So what happens in market economy? There are two sectors. Okay. So in market economy is also known as capitalist economy. Just remember, for example, if you want to purchase cap, okay, you will get that cap free of cost. No, na, there are no chances that you will be getting that cap free of cost. So that means capitalist means or everything is under private sector. Okay. In socialist means I am doing social welfare. So that means everything is under government control. Okay. So in market economy, what happens? It is also known as First thing, market economy is also known as capitalist economy. Centrally planned economy is also known as socialist economy, and mixed is mixed. In market economy, everything is under control of private sector. Okay. In centrally planned economy, everything is under control the government. And in mixed, it is under both private as well as the public. Okay. In India, it's mixed economy. So in India, you will get private hospital as well as private schools as well as government hospital and government schools. You will get private colleges as well as government colleges. So both private as well as public sector both exist. But in market economy, only private sector exists. Like everything is under control private sector. In centrally planned, everything is under control government sector. No private property is allowed. Here, no government property is allowed. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I know it's a little bit boring, but it's important because we have to study economics, so somewhere important. Okay. Just remember these terms, and I think your entire things will be clear. Okay. Remember two sectors, private and public. And remember the name. Market economy, capitalist. Cap, you never get free. That means everything is under control, private sector. Centrally planned, center means government. Okay, so that means socialist. Centrally planned means if I do planning, then I'm going to do social welfare, right? So that means everything is under government control, and mix, it is both private as well as public. Okay, so now let's just discuss everything. First is market economy. In a market economy, all economics activities are organized through market. Market means the public sector or the private sector. It is also known as capitalist economy. Okay, so first point is that, ma'am, yes, in a market economy, all the economic activities, you know what are the economic activities? Production, consumption, capital formation, all these are economic activities. So they all activities are organized through the market. It is known as capitalist economy. Okay, in a market or capitalist economy, central problem of what, see, here you get a question in your exam hall as well. Like in a market economy, who decides controls over central problem, or who decides the central problem, or who solves the central problem? So central problems of what, how, for whom to produce are solved by price mechanism. So basically over here, how you're going to solve the problem? Through price mechanism. That means by the price prevailing in the market. In this economy, market forces, demand and supply are left free to determine price. Here production is done mainly for earning profit. In this economy, means of production are owned and controlled by the private sector. There are no government interference. So what happens basically in this economy? Price and everything that depends on the market, like supply, for example, supply and demand. They depends on, for example, if prices are low, everybody will demand, right? That okay, we want to purchase. So what if everybody is demanding, then I'll also increase my supply. But if prices are high, nobody will demand, then I'll reduce my supply as well. So in market economy, every private sector, what they do, they just look for the product. For example, I have summer season is going on. Okay, summer season is going on. I have this dress. Okay, and this is my woolen jacket, and this is my umbrella. Okay, so first, basically, what will be the choice? People will be choosing the dress and the umbrella, right? They won't be choosing the woolen clothes. So demand for my dress and for umbrella, they will increase. So what I will do, I can see that demand, people are demanding, so I will increase the price as well as I'll increase the supply. Okay, so they, in private sector, basically in market economy, everything is left to the people. If they will demand, I will increase the supply, plus accordingly I'll adjust my price. Okay, so everything is done by the market economy, like everything is done through the price mechanism. Like price is decided, looking at the scenario of the market. If people are demanding, then of course I'll increase the price. If nobody is demanding, then I'll decrease the price, like this. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what is the main motive over here? To earn profit. Okay. Now, ma'am, next. Centrally planned economy. So, it is also known as socialist economy, as discussed. Here, central problem of what, how, and for whom to produce are solved by through central problems. So, basically, these are the problems. So, basically, they are decided by the government. They plan and plot everything that, okay, the problem is this, so we need to do this. So, they do central planning. Okay, the government or the central authority of the economy plans all important activities like what to produce and what are the exchanges, etc. The price are determined by the planning authority. It's not random that okay, I am seeing that people are demanding lots, so I'll increase price. No, here prices are determined by the planning authority. Okay, and all decisions are taken with respect to maximum of social welfare. Over here, the main motive, everything is done just to earn profit, but here every decision will be taken just to maximize the social welfare or just to increase the social welfare. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is mixed economy. Okay, so in a mix, it is a mix, public as well as private sector in the field of production. Both public sector will also produce, private sector will also produce. In this economy, important decisions regarding what, how, and for whom to produce are taken by government, and economic activities by and large conducted by the market. Okay, so basically decision government is taking, but activities, production activities, market will be doing. That means private sector will be doing. Okay. Here, all decision aims to achieve profit maximization along with social welfare, because it's a mix. So whatever decision you will be making, your motive should be you want to achieve profit plus the social welfare. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in market economy, what we learned that, ma'am, this economy is also known as capitalist economy. Over here, everything is under control private sector, right? And they determine price through the price mechanism, like looking at the market scenario. Okay. And their main motive is to earn profit. Centrally planned, this is also known as socialist economy. Here, the central problems for whom to produce, what to produce are like decided by the central planning. Like every government and the central authority do planning and plotting, and then they decide the price as well. Their main motive is to maximize the social welfare. That it should be the social welfare is the topmost priority. Okay. Mixed economy, both private and public sector work in this field. Okay. Decision what to produce, whom for whom to produce is taken by government, but activities like economic activities of production are taken by the market. That means the private sector. Okay. Their aim is to earn profit as well as to earn social welfare. So these are the things of market economy. I hope it's clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
teacher.
Okay, great. Okay, so you will write it down, because first of all you will write classification on economy, like you will give a heading, hashtag. Okay, just write an extra mile here. For example, this is your notebook. From here it starts the lines. So here you can write an extra mile and then hashtag classification of economy. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
And then you will just draw this table first, classification this. Okay, and then one by one market economy you will start. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sister, can you scroll down? Teacher, I finished writing.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm done.
Oh, good. Okay. So now basically we are going to do the difference. See, if in exam hall they'll be asking you that just explain market economy with the help of, or they'll be asking you that how you're going to solve it, like how you're going to solve the problem in a market economy, how you're going to solve the problem of central problem like this, or maybe the problem of what to produce, how to produce like this, then you're going to write this. Okay. Similarly with this and similarly with this. Okay. But in case if they'll be asking you, write the difference between market economy, centrally planned economy, and the mixed economy, then of course you need some points with where you are going to compare it. Okay, though they are similar, but the language is little bit different. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just start. So difference between market economy, centrally planned economy, and this mixed economy. Market economy. It is a free economy, right? Where market forces of demand and supply organize economic activities. So economic activities depends on the market supply. What is the demand? What is the supply? Okay. Next, centrally planned economy and planned economy which is under direct control of government. Okay. Here, economic activities are regulated by government. Okay. Here, important decisions are taken by government and economic activities are conducted by market. In mixed economy, decisions government takes like what to produce, how to produce, but production part is done by the market or the private sector. Okay. Next, motive. A market economy, profit motive is the principal objective. Okay, their main motive is to earn profit, and here their main motive is the social welfare. Okay, and here profit motive is private sector and social welfare in public sector. Clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Next, role of government. In market economy, there is no direct intervention of government. Here,
Yes, teacher.
okay, wait, huh? I just highlight. Yeah. Okay. So here, no direct intervention of government. Here, the government plays an active role in the process because everything is under control government. Mixed full control of government in public sector and partial control in the private sector. Okay. And solution of the central problem. Central problems of what to produce, whom to produce are solved through price mechanism. And here through planning mechanism. And here through price mechanism as well as the planning mechanism. Competition. Here competition exists because there are lots of private companies, right? Here no competition because for example, whether it's company A, company B, company C, everything is under government. So there is no competition because everything is ruled by government. But here competition exists only in private sector. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
teacher.
So I won't be pressurizing you people much. This is the last topic we are covering today. Okay. You have material to learn. You can learn the difference as well as the mechanism. You can start. You can write the heading difference among market economics, central planning, and this. And then you can draw, like divide your notebook into 3 parts like this, and you can write. Okay. If you will like if you want to, you can write this over here. For example, this is your notebook now. So this is the margin now. You can write these things over here, nature and all. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
Teacher, I done.
Okay. Just wait for 1 minute, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Teacher, I also finished.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So for today, I have given you a lot of written tasks, right? You must be tired or okay.
It's okay.
Okay. So quickly, I'm just giving you 5 minutes to revise all the things. Like just give it a reading so that it will be clear. And in case if you face any difficulty or any line you are not getting it, you can ask me. Okay. Done, girls?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, so from next class, we have next class on Tuesday, right? This Saturday, like upcoming Saturday, I won't be taking your class. Okay, that will be off for you people, as I have my exam on Sunday, so I need to prepare. So I won't be taking your class on that day. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
so we'll try to
Okay,
we'll try to reschedule it, like if possible. But if not possible, then I'll try to manage. Okay.
Okay.
So
okay, ma'am.
yeah. And one more thing, like, is there any doubt in your test? Like, you gave your test yesterday, like day before yesterday. So any doubt in that? Any
No,
question you
teacher.
want to ask?
I just want to know my
No, ma'am.
marks.
Yeah, I haven't checked your marks. Like, I haven't checked your paper yet. I'll be doing it tomorrow, as tomorrow is Sunday, na? So weekend over here in India, it's weekend. So I'll be getting off from everywhere instead of my classes. So I'll be checking it in morning tomorrow, and I think I'll upload it by Monday. You can check it in your portal, or I'll tell you in Tuesday class. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, then we'll meet in the next class. Till then, you can take care and you can enjoy. Okay,
Thank
but
you,
don't forget
teacher.
to revise. Okay, just give it a
Okay.
reading every time. Okay,
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 teacher.
ma'am.
bye bye.